Taurus Group was founded in 1962 in Oliana, a small town in the Catalan Pyrenees. It all began with the production of hairdryers and coffee grinders, with a little workforce of 6 employees. It grew from strength to strength, driven by its vision to innovate and develop reliable products with the aim of improving people's lives. New product innovations were developed and introduced into the market and soon became a success. With determination and ambition, we have designed and manufactured next-generation products to keep up with the needs of an evolving society. Today, we are a multinational company. We are present in every continent. Formed by 27 companies, with distribution in more than 120 countries, we are able to reach more than 15 million homes around the world every year. We entail 6 research and development centers, 5 production sites, and 19 logistics centers of more than 85,000 meters squared. With a growing portfolio of 20 brands, both global and local, we offer a wide range of products in different categories: small household appliances, kitchen robots, built-in appliances, kitchenware, air conditioning, biomass fireplaces, professional products, DIY tools, solar energy, and automotive components, all with the purpose of helping society with the new challenges and emerging issues, and committed to the world around us to create more sustainable homes by generating green energy that sustains the power consumption of our appliances. Pursuing excellence in all our processes, we evolve with the Industry 4.0, with advanced automation and digitalization technologies for efficiency in all the organization's processes, and develop reliable and high-quality products. This is who we are, a great team, open to diverse ways of thinking, who respects the environment and different cultures, while fulfilling our passion to innovate and develop reliable products to improve people's lives. Taurus Group.